Hey everybody, we're gonna change the battery in this 2014 Toyota RAV4. I'm gonna put a new lithium ion battery. I got this Hisense lithium battery off Temu. I've got the same battery I run in my kayak. Okay, so let's get started. First, you're gonna wanna pop your hood and you go this way, that way and up. Okay, we're gonna be changing that battery. Okay, this is gonna be it. That's gonna be a 10 mil nut. Strap you gotta take off of here. To get your nut off, I like to put them somewhere where I won't knock them down, so I put them up there on the windshield. Okay, we got this nut here. It's already kind of loose, so as you can see here, this is a rod. It goes down to the bottom down there. You can actually pull it out of the socket, and that rod will come up. Next is getting the negative terminal off and the positive terminal off. Positive terminals. Socket again. Make sure you don't hit the motor with your ratchet like I just did. With that loose slightly, kind of wiggle it. Just gonna try and pull that up. Off. Okay, next is the negative. Same thing, that's a 10 mil. You don't have to take the nut completely off. You can leave it on and just wiggle this out. This strap was holding it down. That was down. So you should be able to just pull this out now. Back. I don't have the carrying strap on here anymore. So that out of here, that's what it looks like. And we'll go ahead and place our new battery in here, which is our new lithium ion battery. I will say, when I bought this battery, it doesn't come with terminal post. You'll have to buy an M6 terminal post for the battery separately. You can put the link for the battery post. If you're just changing a battery, a standard battery, you won't need anything. Looks like there's plenty of room to move this around. The trick is getting this cable to reach here. Most lithiums, they don't seem to be doing left and right. I pulled this clip out of the airbox down here at the bottom, and that's going to give me enough length to reach the battery post being at the front of the battery. I'm going to cut the zip ties off the holder. So I'm going to bolt this in. The rod for this goes in the bottom down here. See that? Kind of see it. There's a hole in the side of that bracket. Also, this battery appears to be maybe quite a bit taller. So because the battery's taller, we're gonna loosen this nut. Take the bracket off. Okay, so that's what it's gotta look like. There's a little bit of a height difference here, but I think I can work with that. I'm gonna put a bend in it. So just a minor adjustment to this arm. I bent it just down a bit so it reaches that post better. I'm gonna go ahead and put that first bolt back in, and now I just got to get this rod lengthened. So it was rather tight, but I got the bolt lengthened and try and get it in here. Okay, all right, that's locked in. So that fits into the hole way down there at the bottom. So you can tighten it down. Okay, that's snug as a bug. Okay, so that should all work. Get the ground works on this side. The ground is also at the front now, but oh my goodness, I just broke the stud. Okay, so don't over tighten your studs that you just bought for your new battery. They will break. Don't ask me how I know, but mine broke. This tab over here doesn't necessarily reach, and the wire broke on me, so I had to fix that. And then just flatten out the tabs that lock onto there, and it should reach just fine. Again, if you're just replacing a regular battery, none of this matters. Everything should go together just fine. But if you're changing it to a battery that has the terminals on the front, you'll have to do this one. I cut a few straps down here to loosen it up. And I dropped one strap off. Other than that, this battery fits like a Group 35. That's how you do it.